Decorating for Christmas with garlands can transform a home into a festive, warm, and inviting space. Garlands are versatile and can be used in various ways to create a cohesive holiday aesthetic. Whether made from fresh greenery, artificial materials, or crafted with unique elements, garlands can add a special touch to Christmas decor. One of the primary advantages of using garlands is their adaptability. They can be draped along staircases, mantels, doorways, windows, and even used as centerpieces for tables. This versatility allows you to create a seamless flow of holiday spirit throughout your home. When choosing garlands, consider the theme and color scheme of your decorations. Traditional green garlands evoke a classic Christmas feel, while those adorned with pine cones, berries, or lights add texture and visual interest. A popular and beautiful way to decorate with garlands is to wrap them around stair railings. This creates a stunning visual effect as the garland winds up the staircase. Adding lights to the garland enhances this effect, especially in the evening. You can also incorporate bows, ornaments, or ribbons to match the rest of your holiday decor. This approach not only looks elegant, but also makes the staircase a focal point of your Christmas decorations. Another idea is to frame doorways and windows with garlands. This can create a welcoming entrance for guests and add charm to your home's exterior. Indoor garlands around doorways make each room feel like a part of a winter wonderland. Adding lights, either classic white or colorful, can further brighten these areas and make them stand out. Mantels are perfect spots for garlands. A garland draped across a mantel can transform a fireplace into a cozy holiday feature. Accentuate it with stockings, candles, and other festive items to create a beautiful holiday display. If you have a large mirror or artwork above the mantel, a garland can frame it, adding depth and interest. You can also place garlands on shelves or around mirrors in other parts of your home for a cohesive look. Garlands can also be used creatively as centerpieces for dining or coffee tables. A simple garland laid along the length of a table can be embellished with candles, ornaments, and other decorations to create an eye-catching centerpiece. This is especially effective for holiday dinners, where a beautifully decorated table enhances the festive atmosphere. Using fresh greenery garlands can add a pleasant, natural scent to your home, enhancing the sensory experience of the holidays. Consider using themed garlands to reflect your personal style. For example, a garland made of felt ornaments, dried citrus slices, or popcorn and cranberries can give a rustic, homemade feel. Metallic or glittery garlands can add a touch of glamour and sparkle. Personalizing garlands with family photos, handmade crafts, or favorite ornaments can make the decorations more meaningful and unique. One of the advantages of using artificial garlands is their durability and reusability. They can be stored and reused for many years, making them a cost-effective choice in the long run. Artificial garlands also come in a variety of styles, including pre-lit options, which can save time and effort. If you prefer the look and feel of fresh greenery, you can find high-quality artificial garlands that closely mimic the real thing. When working with fresh garlands, it's important to keep them hydrated to maintain their freshness throughout the holiday season. Misting them with water regularly and placing them away from direct heat sources can help prolong their life. Fresh garlands can also be composted after the holidays, making them an eco-friendly option. Lighting is an essential element when decorating with garlands. Twinkling lights can add a magical touch, especially in the evenings. Battery-operated LED lights are a convenient option, as they don't require access to an electrical outlet and can be easily woven into garlands. Choosing lights with different settings, such as steady, twinkling, or fading, can add variety and create different moods. Incorporating other decorative elements into your garlands can enhance their visual appeal. Ornaments, bows, ribbons, pine cones, and berries are popular choices. You can also use natural elements such as eucalyptus, holly, or magnolia leaves to add texture and color. Personalizing your garlands with family heirlooms or favorite decorations can make them more special and unique to your home. Garlands can also be used in outdoor decorations to create a festive look for your home's exterior. Draping garlands around porch railings, along fences, or around outdoor pillars can extend the holiday cheer to your outdoor spaces. Using weather-resistant materials and lights designed for outdoor use can ensure your decorations withstand the elements. When planning your garland decorations, consider the overall theme and color scheme of your holiday decor. Coordinating colors and styles can create a cohesive and harmonious look. Mixing and matching different types of garlands, such as combining greenery with metallic or beaded garlands, can add depth and interest. Creating garlands can be a fun and rewarding DIY project, allowing you to tailor your decorations to your personal taste and style. Handmade garlands not only add a unique touch to your decor, but also provide a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. To make your own garlands, you can use various materials such as paper, fabric, yarn, or natural elements like pine cones and dried flowers. Crafting sessions can be a delightful holiday activity for families, offering a chance to bond and create memories while making beautiful decorations. For a simple yet charming DIY garland, consider using paper. You can cut out shapes like stars, snowflakes, or trees from colored or patterned paper and string them together. Adding glitter or paint can enhance the look. Fabric garlands, such as those made from strips of burlap, lace, or festive prints, can bring a cozy and homemade feel to your decor. Yarn pom-pom garlands are also an easy and fun project, providing a soft and whimsical touch. Incorporating natural elements into your garlands can bring a rustic and organic feel to your decorations. Pine cones, dried orange slices, cinnamon sticks, and cranberries are great options for a nature-inspired garland. These elements not only look beautiful, but can also add delightful scents to your home. Foraging for materials like pine branches, holly, or ivy can be an enjoyable outdoor activity, and incorporating them into your garlands can give them a fresh and authentic touch. To enhance the overall festive atmosphere, consider coordinating your garland decorations with other holiday elements in your home. Matching the garlands with your Christmas tree decorations, wreaths, and table settings can create a harmonious and well-thought-out look. Using similar colors, textures, and themes throughout your decorations can tie everything together beautifully. One creative way to use garlands is to incorporate them into your Christmas tree decorations. Instead of traditional tinsel, try wrapping your tree with garlands made of beads, ribbon, or even popcorn and cranberries for a nostalgic feel. This can add an extra layer of texture and interest to your tree, complementing the ornaments and lights. Another unique idea is to use garlands as part of your gift wrapping. Wrapping gifts with brown paper and adorning them with mini garlands made of twine and small decorations can create a charming and personalized presentation. This thoughtful touch can make your gift stand out and show the recipient that extra care was taken. Garlands can also be used to create a festive ambience in unexpected places. Consider hanging a garland above your kitchen cabinets, around a bathroom mirror, or even in your bedroom to extend the holiday cheer throughout your entire home. These small touches can make a big difference in creating a warm and festive environment. If you have pets, it's important to consider their safety when decorating with garlands. Ensure that garlands are securely fastened and out of reach of curious pets, as some materials can be harmful if ingested. Opting for pet-friendly materials and avoiding small, breakable decorations can help prevent any accidents. Storing garlands properly after the holiday season is crucial to maintaining their condition and longevity. For artificial garlands, gently remove any decorations and lights before carefully packing them in storage containers. Using tissue paper or bubble wrap can help protect delicate elements. For fresh garlands, consider composting them to minimize waste and benefit your garden. In summary, decorating with garlands for Christmas offers a versatile and beautiful way to enhance your home's festive atmosphere. Their adaptability allows them to be used in various ways, from staircases and mantels to doorways and tables. Whether you choose fresh or artificial garlands, adding lights, ornaments, and personal touches can create a magical holiday environment. By considering the theme and color scheme of your decorations, you can create a cohesive and inviting look that spreads holiday cheer throughout your home.